So by request, this power strip is not mounted. So you can see here, you can't do what I did on the previous video, which is pull it straight out. So you have to hold your hand, hold it down. So I'm putting my hand on the power strip and I'm holding it down, and then with my other hand, pulling it right out. Oops. Holding it down with my hand that I'm holding the camera with, and I'm taking this and pulling out, just straight out. So you can see how you might want to wiggle it, or nope, just pull it straight out. Put your hand at the top, pull out. Don't do this, try to stick your hands underneath and don't do that. Just grab at the top, pull out.